Is your Ford Edge key fob not working? The most common cause is a dead battery. This applies to 2017-2024 Ford Edge models. You'll need a CR2032 battery, which costs about $5 at any auto parts store, and a small flathead screwdriver or key fob opener tool. The battery typically lasts 1 to 3 years, depending on usage. Low battery is the primary cause of remote failure. Signal interference or module failure may rarely be the issue. If a new battery does not work, you may need to reprogram your fob. First, test the remote. If it fails, reprogram via the vehicle's ignition cycle. Insert key, turn to on position 8 times without starting. This covers the basics of Ford Edge key fob battery replacement. Insert the flat tool into the notch at the base of the fob and gently twist to pry it open, being careful not to damage the internal circuit. Remove the old CR2032 battery, noting which side is up. The positive side usually faces up. Insert the new battery with the correct polarity. Snap the case back together, ensuring the rubber seal is aligned correctly to prevent the open case issue. If the case doesn't close properly, check for debris or bent internal clips. Gently straighten them with pliers if needed. Test the remote after reassembly. If it still doesn't work, reprogramming via the vehicle's ignition cycle may be needed.